Hello friends, welcome back. How you guys doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my current wash day routine. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. First thing I'm going to do is to soak the Dudu Osun, the African black soap, in the water when I start to work on my hair. I'm going to leave that to the side and start separating my hair into 3 sections. I'm going to be starting with Pre-poo first, using a spraying bottle that I got from Walmart to add some water as a moisture to my hair. I make sure that I work the water into every strand of my hair so that when I started to add my oil, it can actually be able to work with my hair and give my hair the right moisture. My oil combo is half part olive oil and half part shea oil. I like to start the oil application from the tip of my hair because that part is the older part of my hair. Thus, that needs more product than the rest of my hair. Anyways, I work the oil into every strand of my hair and I pin the section up and move on to the rest of the section. After I'm done with the application of all my hair, I put it under the shower cap. I'm getting ready for the shampoo time. And what I do at that time while the shower cap is on my hair, while my hair it's relaxing under the shower cap, I started to work on my shampoo. This is when I start working on the African black soap because this worked well for me. It makes my life easy. I do not have to grate or soak the soap. I cannot use my fingers to make sure I get as much soap in the water. At the same time, allowing the pre-poo in my hair to stay longer. When I'm done, I pour the soap water in a spraying bottle, one of the ones that I got from Walmart, and add some avocado oil and mix it together. Now I'm going to start washing my hair. When I start the spraying of the soap water into my hair, I start from my scalp first. Using the tip of my fingers to clean my scalp and continue to clean the rest of my hair. And I'm going to pull my hair away after I'm done with each section. And after that, I come back to start running the water on my section while I'm cleaning, getting all the dirt out. I enjoy running water through my hair, then I start rinsing each section. Next is the apple cider vinegar rinse. This solution is half water, half apple cider vinegar. This step helps my hair to be shiny, easy to detangle, and most importantly, to bring my hair back to balance. I'm going to work it into my hair. And at this point, I start to take the shed hair out of my hair. I actually like, because when I'm washing my hair, whatever I lose, it kind of go to the tip of my hair, and I just try to take it out. I finish with one section, put it up, and start working on the other part of this section. Is the time for conditioning. I am going to be using a DIY conditioner. I will link it above and on the description box. I start application from the tip of my hair to the root. Here is where I do my main detangle and separate my hair more. That way I continue to detangle my hair, make sure if I have anything that is just any shed hair that is just hanging out in there, I take it out, because those really cause your hair to get detangled the more. I am determined to not let any of those conditioner go to waste, so I'm scrapping every ounce of it left in a container and just apply the rest to my hair. Put on my shower cap, wait for 15 minutes. When I'm waiting for my hair to be under the shower cap for 15 minutes, I clean my bathroom where I make all the mess of the conditioner. This is what my hair looked like after 15 minutes. I further detangle more at this point because my hair is more slippery. I continue to wash the conditioner off my hair. This is the final result of my hair wash. I use my old t-shirt to dry my hair by wrapping it on my head while I get ready. Now I'm back. I will be using my DIY whipped shea butter mix. If you're interested in it, it will be linked above too, and it's going to be on the description box. My hair is still damp. I start the application of the whipped shea butter mix from the tip of my hair, working my way down to the roots of my hair, and make sure I reach every strand of my hair strand because I need to retain the moisture on my hair as long as possible. I use the wide comb to comb my hair and braid it in sections. This is how much hair I lost from the beginning to the end. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you guys very much for watching this video, and I really appreciate you. I hope this video helps somebody out there. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.